You know, there's someone I'd really like to thank, basically who's been like at the heart and soul of putting this show together. And that is my girlfriend, Nelsy. She's been an absolute bulldog in trying to put stuff together and making it happen. And you know, the thing that I love about Nelsy is she's allowed me to love her realistically, you know. Not this pie in the sky kind of love. Hey, I'm going to bring you the moon. I'm going to cross oceans for you. Making promises you cannot deliver in these economic times. But you know, I love her realistically, you know. Not like going to Venus or Mars, baby. But you know, I'll take you to the nearest combi. I'll even wait for everyone to get in so you can take that last seat. You know, I'll buy us $1 airtime, baby. Which will give us about 15 SMSs in between, you know. Thankfully, Strive Maso has upgraded us to 20. So now we can SMS until 1 o'clock. At which point when our SMSs run out, we can revert to call me backs. You know, baby, I love you realistically, you know. You know, we're going to be getting married next year. Although I haven't proposed yet. You know, I was thinking, you know, proposals are things that are very, you know, very tricky. Because sometimes you need to have the right crowd, you know what I'm saying? Maybe like about 780 people in 7 Arts. Sometimes you need the lighting to be quite right, you know. Maybe like a red tinge going on stage. You know, at that particular point, you probably need to hook up some background music, you know. Let me just see. Just pull out my guitar here. Hello? Hello? I pray. You're right. Oh, seriously? Oh, what you doing here? Oh, okay. Can you come over on stage? Oh, okay. Cool. All right. Cool. All right. All right. It's not your time. Oh, yeah. Yeah, come. Yeah. No, it's cool. It's cool. It's a mango repair. So you need to, I don't know, like background music is normally cool. So like if you had a random guy on stage, maybe you'd like to come close and just hold this. In my voice? Okay. I believe that you're the one, for me. I believe that you're the one for me, baby. Yes. So, you know, like, you need to take that sound down a little bit. You can sort of continue in the background. At this particular point, you know, people are sort of wondering what's going on. You're the one. You might have a hiccup, like, not enough people. I believe that you're the one. You couldn't afford like a ring or something like that. You need to have the right crowd there. You're the one for me. I believe that you're the one. Nelsy, you're the one for me. Will you marry me? I believe, yeah. I believe, yeah. I believe that you are the one. You're the one for me. Evening, baby. I want to promise to love you realistically for the rest of my life. I'd like you to be Mrs. Ncube, 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 Ncube. Baby, will you marry me?
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
So I was just saying, good. You know, baby. Nosakata uchunguzalchi. Ndokulava manje. Asitomboita zvokutamba ukete. How are you doing, baby? You good? Okay, there's something I just need to finish off and then we can pick up where we left off. Is that okay? Okay, just hold there for a little bit, you know.